Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Manju Dehriya. In this video, I am going to show you invite only script in TradingView account. First thing is to do, open your TradingView account. Open any chart. Click on plus symbol. Then go to indicators. Here you see invite only script. Click on it. Inside invite only script you see LTech indicator. Simply click both the indicator. Then here you see a cross symbol. Click on it. Here you see LTech indicator. In second case, when you doesn't see invite only script here, simply close your TradingView account or refresh your TradingView account. Then you will see here a invite only script, and the process was same as we discussed before. Okay. In third case, when you click LTech indicator through the process that was discussed before, but you doesn't see LTech indicator here, in this case simply close your TradingView account or refresh your TradingView. Then you will see your LTech indicator. Hope it is knowledgeable for you. Thanks for watching.